Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows Update cannot check for updates, cannot currently check for updates, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, for issues related to Windows Update, we usually delete the cache, but this issue is separate. It is with the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt, the elevated power registry editor window. Now go to HKey local machine. Software, policies, Microsoft and Windows on the list on the left hand side. Okay, now we are here to Windows. In the right pane, we will create an entry, we will create a key named Windows Update. So right click on this one, select new key named Windows Update. Go to the Windows Update key. Now in the right pane, we will create a DO32-bit value named AU Options. Right click, new DO32-bit value AU Options. Double click on it. Change the value to 5. Click on OK or hit enter. Restart your computer. The problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.